PRENEU. For more convenient and safer living, we make various drones with AI software, core parts, and hardware, and support a platform service to provide real-time information through the cloud. We would like to introduce to the world the fact that PRENEU will create novel changes, saving time and cost. Here are some drones that transport people and things and are used in search and rescue operations. All these drones can be controlled anywhere in real time through PRENEU's Unmanned Aerial Systems Traffic Management. They obtain spatial information using LiDAR vision sensor technology to avoid obstacles autonomously to fly safely. Do you need production materials quickly? If so, place an order through the Smart Automated Logistics app. When the order is confirmed, the AI forklift at the distribution center will find the product and bring it to the drone station. Then, the delivery drone will automatically load the product and deliver it directly to the client. Safe delivery can be arranged in just one click. You can use drones to examine solar panels and quickly complete maintenance. When the drone confirms any abnormal operation of a panel, it can scan the panel to quickly find the problem. If the panel is simply contaminated by foreign substances, the drone will sweep and wash it clean. Introducing a drone for land surveys and monitoring. It detects changes in the coastline and fluvial topography through regular surveying to predict floods or landslides, measures land borders precisely, and automatically analyzes the earth volume for farming and yard stock for construction conveniently and accurately. PRENEU offers a fast and convenient way to check for accurate information in the cloud at low cost, using drone technology and a platform service. Creating a new future by combining drone and information technologies. PRENEU.